This is Sapporo Ichiban, cook in 3 minutes. This is the soup base. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the heat. Alright, let me try the soup. It's salty, no sweet, and you can taste soy sauce and something like seafood maybe, and pretty fresh. Let me try the noodle. I cook it for 3.5 minutes because I got an egg. The noodle is soft and smooth and bouncing. There are lots of noodles in this bag. I think I'm probably gonna fall after eating this bowl. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my instant noodle. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.